morning, everyone. We are on our way to our next little adventure. Just an overnighter. We don't have the Runaway with us this time, and we are headed to Fredericksburg. We are going, what's it called? It's a
Gillespie County Wild Game Dinner and Auction. It's a fundraiser.
And they have, of course, it's a wild game dinner. So, like last time we went, there was ostrich, rattlesnake, alligator, buffalo. So, this time, who knows what we're going to be eating? So, it'll be interesting and it'll be a lot of fun.
So, I knew there was a lot of wineries up in the area of Fredericksburg. It's been a while since I've been up here. But since we left Johnson City, heading towards Fredericksburg, just between Johnson City and Stonewall,
Yep,
counted 25 wineries. 25. And now we're on the other side of Stonewall, headed towards Fredericksburg, and there's been what? Six so far, and I haven't gone a mile and a half.
It's nuts.
I'm gonna tell you what, even if you're from California, there's a lot of freaking wineries in this area. Anyhow, we're almost to Fredericksburg, and then we get to partake in some wild game. See you there.
Bye.
Well, update. Between Stonewall and Fredericksburg, there were 28 freaking wineries. That's 53 wineries between Johnson City and Fredericksburg. A total of about 15 miles?
Yeah, I was going to say between 15 and 20 miles,
Yeah,
something like that.
That's ridiculous. If you like wine, this place, come try it out. So here we are. We made it. Let me show you around a little bit. The Gillespie County Wild Game Dinner supports youth agriculture education. Over the last 16 years, they have contributed more than $2 million to agriculture education. The money raised by the Wild Game Dinner supports youth agriculture education in the Texas Hill Country by funding equipment and projects for area schools, greenhouses, and horticulture programs, youth investment shows, agricultural student leadership trips to Washington, D.C., 4-H adult education and youth experiences, Gillespie County Agriculture Extension Services, Gillespie County Corps Academy, NRCS Range Management Schools, Fredericksburg FFA, Harper FFA, Harper Arena and Park, and Gillespie County Fair and Festivals. The Wild Game Dinner is held in November every year, so if you're ever going to be around Fredericksburg, Texas, the month of November, get on the Fredericksburg website or Gillespie County's website and look up the Wild Game Dinner and try to plan your trip for the same weekend. It's a good time to be had, and it's a good cause supporting the kids in the Hill Country area. If you like our content, hit the like button, subscribe, and then click that bell to get notifications of new videos.